What's up, everybody? David here with you from faithfullybearded.com. So, we've been doing the Gray Matters series, talking about beautiful gray beards and all the great stuff that comes along with it. And I remembered it's been a while since reviews happened. What better time than No Shave November and Movember to get one in? So if it's your first time into the channel, guys, welcome. Maybe you're here for No Shave November or Movember, whatever it may be. Both really, really great causes. And what a great excuse to grow out a beard or a stash or a beard stash or whatever it is. But I wanted this review to be about a company that if you're growing a new beard, you've probably already found in a search. We're going to talk about Badass Beard Care. Badass Beard Care has been around for a while. The owner's a guy named Charlie. I've never spoke to him personally, but every time I've emailed, it seemed like I got a response from the right place pretty quick, which is awesome. Badass Beard Care is vet owned, which is always a great thing. And it says on all their products that they're made by badass vets. Now, I don't know the extent of that, but if they tell me it's made by vets, I think it's all made by vets, which is even better. Now, they don't only have beard stuff, they also have awesome swag like this shirt right here. This is the red shirt for remembering everybody deployed, which I think is so amazing they took time to do. And red's one of my favorite colors, so it works out. But I want to talk about the Outlaw. That's the scent I have in an oil, butter, and balm. Their oil is good stuff. We're looking at a couple simple ingredients: apricot kernel oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, and vitamin E. Pretty direct, pretty straight to the point, right? I've found recently that simplicity really is the key to great things. Badass Beard Care really took that into consideration. Their labels are very nice, very easy to read. They have this really cool American flag on the back, and that's where it says it's made by vets. You've got some warning stuff. It attracts the ladies, all the pertinent information you may need. They also put a how to use on here, which is so handy for new beardsmen, because I've seen, all right, so I may have in the beginning of my beard journey just thrown as much as I could fit in my palm and hammered it into my beard and thought it looked great. Really served no purpose at all, but it smelled great. These do come in 1 ounce containers, glass dripper, rubber drip top, all pretty standard stuff. And you can buy it just the oil or in a package. Package meaning butter, balm, whatever, however you want to put it together. They have like a build your own custom kit, which is pretty cool. They also make brushes. I'm a big fan of their boar bristle brush. It works really, really great on my beard, and they just look cool too. I also have their giant ox horn comb. I'm really rattling down the list now because they make so many good products. But back to the oil. I would call this a medium consistency. I think the argan helps it a little bit, but all around a well-functioning, really well-done oil. And the smell, it's good. It's good. The Outlaw is a vanilla tobacco black pepper, which, if you know me, I love tobacco scents, and this vanilla is killing it. It's not like a super air freshening vanilla. It's very subtle, and the black pepper on the back end rounds this scent out perfectly. Simple, to the point, done. The balm. Guys, it's wintertime, right? Balm can be your best friend. I know here in Missouri it gets windy once in a while, or when I want to go out somewhere and keep a certain style to my beard, I'll use some balm. When my beard was shorter, this was my go-to. So if you're growing your first beard out, or if you're new into the beard, get used to this because it's going to come in handy. Now, there is the great debate, balms versus butters. I am of the opinion that they both have their own function, and made correctly, they'll both do two different things. They both do have conditioning properties, but one's more for a style or a train, and one is more like me. I use my butters when I go to bed. Taking a look at this balm, you probably can't really tell it, but I'm putting a lot of pressure down on that and it ain't moving. This is a really stout balm. Not stout like it's gonna make your hair stand straight up. It actually doesn't have a really firm styling property, but I think conditioning wise, it does really well, and it'll tame those flyaways down. I've actually been sidelining this as some mustache wax just to try it out, and it seemed to work pretty well. Now, I don't know what the ingredients are on this because they're not listed on the tin. So that would be my only pointer to a huge company that knows exactly what they're doing, is throw some ingredients on here. Doesn't hurt anything. I know you guys can go to the website and check it out. So Badass Beard Care also does a line of washes, a body hair wash, beard wash, and a stripping wash, which I think is one of the stars of their show. Their stripping wash was in so many countdowns last year, so many top 5s. I would highly, highly recommend getting yourself a bottle and trying it out. But this one caught me off guard. This is Badass Beard Care's Beard Butter. Now, in my opinion, beard butter with large companies can go one of two ways. They can go and do really, really well, or they can try and do what smaller companies have done and fail horribly. I feel like Badass Beard Care did their homework. They did really well with the butter. And is butter something that a brand new beardsman can use? Absolutely. Are you going to see more use out of it when your beard's a little bit longer? I think so. I remember using beard butter when my beard was short, right after I got out of the shower, because I'm a night shower type of guy. I would throw it in, go to bed, and it would do its work overnight. I still do that same thing. This is a poured, bit of a thicker, more stout butter. I mean, if you take a look at it, yeah, you can scrape some out. Is it super easy? No, but it does really well. And actually, the butter is right on point with the scent of the oil, and the balm's right up there too. But this butter, super conditioning. When I first put it in, I was like, it's all right. When it started doing its thing and softened my beard up, I was super impressed, and I have remained there ever since. In fact, I need to get some more scents in the butter and oil set because they work so good. And with a coarse gray beard like mine is, if somebody has a butter that conditions this thing, I'm impressed. You can check out this stuff and all the other stuff I've talked about over at badassbeardcare.com. One thing I didn't mention in the beginning, because it's just for you guys that stuck around. They do offer free samples. Whatever scent you want, however you want it. I tried them when I very first started, and it's kind of what got me hooked. Of course, they didn't have a butter back then, and I'm not really sure how they do butter now. I do know that you can get a small oil and at least a small balm to test out. I personally think it's going to work great, but you never can tell. Overall recommendation, big, big thumbs up. Charlie, you guys at Badass Beard Care, keep up the good work. You guys are killing it. If you haven't been over to faithfullybearded.com yet, slide over there. We got a couple good things coming up. We actually just threw together a podcast I hope everybody goes and checks out. And of course, I have to mention that we have some really awesome t-shirts and some other things you might find pretty nifty over there. But that wraps it up, guys. Let me know in the comments. Badass Beard Care, have you tried them? Did you like them? Did you get the free samples? Let me know. If you liked the video, thumbs up. If you hate it, give it a couple thumbs down. No harm, no foul. As always, leave a comment. Let me know you guys are doing all right. And maybe I just like hearing from you. But that wraps it up for me. So until I see you guys again, be awesome to each other.
Thank you for watching this video from Faithfully Bearded. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the thumbs up, click the bell, and turn on all notifications so you're notified of all new content. You can also become a member of the channel and get perks for the tiers that you join. You can share this out with your friends and help the channel grow. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, and at faithfullybearded.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.